Hey there, I've just received another Nature Sunshine order and I wanted to share it with you. So let's dig in and see what's in the box. The requisite brown paper, which I use for a lot of gardening things, so don't throw that away. There's lots of ways to use that. And a little bit more. Okay, so what do we have in here? We have got Cordyceps. Cordyceps is a herb that is actually a fungus or a mushroom, and it is known as an adaptogen. I personally like this for athletic recovery. I am very active and I like to constantly push myself a little bit to go faster, go further, work harder in my workouts. And I find that when I've got Cordyceps, I feel like I recover faster. When I don't have it, I feel like it takes me an extra day or two to recover from a hard workout. So I love Cordyceps for that. Although we do know for sure that it is an adaptogen, so it helps the body to adapt to stress. And when you think about it, a hard workout is a stress, right? Love Cordyceps. And then we have the Kevs Claw combination, which, there we go. This is an all-herbal immune support. It combines Uña de Gato, which is also known as cat's claw, with astragalus, which is a brilliant adaptogen and immune support, and Echinacea purpurea. So this is a really lovely way to keep the immune system up. So if you've been if you're feeling like you need an adaptogen, maybe you've had a little extra stress in your life, if you feel like your immune system could use a little bit of love, this might be a really good option for you. And then we have my all-time favorite digestive support, Garden Essence Enzyme. This assists the digestion of all types of food with the exception of dairy. Now, if you're in the United States, the product that is the most close to this is the Proactzyme product in the US product line. This contains cellulase to break down non-digestible fiber. It's got glucoamylase to help you metabolize starches into glucose. It's got pectinase to break down your pectins and protease to help you digest proteins. It also has aromatic herbs, and this is what I really love about it because the aromatic herbs stimulate the production of digestive fluids. So specifically, it's got caraway seed and ginger root. It also has dandelion root. If you go anywhere and you do any research on dandelion, you're going to find that dandelion is a brilliant support for the liver as well. And of course, the liver plays auxiliary roles in digestion. So I really love the Garden Essence. It's probably the enzyme that I sell the most of in my clinic. And then we have what is probably my all-time favorite omega-3 supplement, Super Omega-3. In the US, I believe this is called Super Omega-3 EPA. Each capsule contains more than 1,000 milligrams of fish oil per capsule with a ratio of 33 to 16 EPA to DHA. And again, one of my favorite omegas. I have used this for a long time on a daily basis, just really enjoy using it. And then we have, last but not least, the Zinc and Vitamin C lozenges. We know that zinc helps to maintain the immune function and healthy skin, while vitamin C helps in the development and maintenance of bones, teeth, cartilage, and gums. Now, there's been a lot of talk over the past few years about the importance of vitamin C and zinc in keeping the immune system well functioning. These lozenges are quite tasty. They're easy to take. You just suck on them. You don't even need to know how to swallow a pill to use these. It's a very gentle way to get the zinc and the vitamin C into your system. Now, if any of these products intrigue you or interest you and you want to know more, please reach out to me or use the link you see on your screen, and that will get you a 25% discount off your very first order of Nature Sunshine products. I look forward to speaking with you soon. Make it a healthy day. Bye for now.